One of the terms that people around the world often abuse is the term depression. Whenever they are stressed, they will claim that they are depressed and they are having depression. As a matter of fact, they didn't even know what is depression and what real depression really feels like. In general, depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. Fortunately, it is also treatable. It can lead to a variety of emotional and physical problems and can decrease your ability to function at work and at home. It is very hard for us to understand depression if we never had it before. Depression is not equal to feeling sadness all day long. It is something that is much more severe than that. Since it is not the effect of feeling sad, one cannot recover from depression from just thinking positively. Depression is not a choice, and depression is a real mental illness. Those who have depression cannot simply decide to stop feeling depressed. Unlike typical sadness or worry, depression feels all-consuming and hopeless. People with depression will feel pain and suffer all day long, and that is the reason why many of them decided to end their life. People always thought that feeling depressed is equal to feeling sad, but that is definitely not true at all. Some of the factors that cause an individual to suffer from depression are genetics, traumatizing life event, alcohol, and hormonal changes. People with depression feel depressed all the time and they couldn't control it. They are constantly feeling it, causing them to not be able to continue living their daily life as usual. The alarming fact is that less than 50% of patients will seek treatment, mainly because of ignorance and apathy. People who are having depression will become more depressed if you tell them to snap out of it, you have to get on with it, or something like just go out and enjoy yourself. The reason is that feeling depressed is not something they can control, and feeling depressed is not equal to feeling sad. They will become more depressed as the person who is closest to them couldn't even understand what they are feeling. When we are talking to a family member or friend who is having depression, we should be their silent listener and let them express themselves. We should also encourage them to seek medical treatment. Let them know that we are always by their sides, and we will always support them. Hope you enjoy this video and please do like and subscribe for more content in the future.